In this video, I will show you how to fix the Share My Location feature on your iPhone if it is not working. First things first, open the Settings app on your iPhone. It's crucial to ensure that you're signed into your Apple account. If you see Sign into your iPhone at the top, tap it and enter your Apple ID credentials. Once signed in, tap on your name at the top of the Settings menu. Scroll down a bit and select Find My. Here, tap on Find My iPhone. Make sure to toggle on the switch next to Find My iPhone. Now, while still in the Find My section, check if Share My Location is also toggled on. Next, head back to the main settings page. Scroll down until you find Privacy and Security. Tap on it. Within this menu, tap on Location Services. Make sure this feature is turned on by toggling the switch. Next up, let's check if any restrictions are causing issues. Go back and select Screen Time. Scroll down a bit and tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions. If this option is enabled, simply disable it temporarily. Sometimes these restrictions can interfere with location sharing features. Another quick fix involves toggling airplane mode. Swipe down from the top right corner of your screen and tap the airplane mode button. Wait about 10 seconds before tapping that button again to disable airplane mode. This refreshes network connections, which might resolve any glitches. After completing all these steps, try sharing your location again with friends or family through messages or maps. If these steps didn't solve your issue, consider restarting your device or updating to the latest iOS version for additional fixes. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.